For the graph of y equals f of x shown below, sketch the graph of the inverse function. And this is actually a restricted domain version of the cosine graph. So this is how we get the inverse cosine function. And on your calculator, if you try doing inverse cosine of various values, you'll find that the answers always are between 0 degrees and 180 degrees, or 0 radians and pi radians. And it's because of this very restriction that we've got here. So, same thing. This one's a bit more difficult to draw, actually. So we've got to try and get y equals x on here. It's going to be approximately that. Remember that 2 pi is about 6.2, so I've tried to get just inside there. It doesn't really help you when you've got scales like this when you're doing this type of thing. But that's y equals x. And so where it crosses obviously is going to be on both graphs. So this point here is a pi negative 1. So we go to negative 1. Pi is about 3.14. So that's going to be about there. Let's get it on there. This point here, which is 0, 1. So on this scale, pi by 2 is about 1.57, isn't it? So it's going to be sort of about there, I reckon. So it's not going to be that difficult to draw. It's not going to be that easy to draw, but it's going to do that. Where does it cross the axis? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 is about 1.57, so that's going to cross maybe there. And then it's going to do that. So hopefully that's not too bad. It looks reasonable. You're just going to have to do a few values, but in fact you always have the calculator available in this particular course.